Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation?
Hey guys, big warm welcome back to my channel and to my latest Motivation Monday. In this week's video, I'm going to do a deep clean around the house because we have had a week's holiday from school. The boys have been home and obviously the house gets a lot messier, a lot dirtier in the holidays. So I really want to go for it today and have a good deep clean. I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm starting with the air fryer, which was certainly used a lot this past week. What you didn't see is that I actually put a dishwasher tablet in there with some boiling water and let that soak for a little while before I came in and scrubbed it down. And that works such a treat. It gets off any stuck on grime, all the horrible things that like to gather in an air fryer. But it's clean. I'm going to pop it back in, ready to be used probably later today because I use my air fryer a lot.
Here we are, where we thought we'd never be.
Next thing on my list to be deep cleaned is the oven. I literally loathe this job, but I'm going to do it really quickly and easily, and I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to start by just hoovering out the crevices and getting out any crumbs that seem to love to fall in there. And I'm going to use a Brillo soap-filled pad. These are heaven sent. All you do is get it wet. It is already pre-filled with soap, and I'm going to use it to go over the glass. Firstly, I'm also going to make sure that I unclip and flip the glass, which you'll see me do in a minute. But I'm going to do the interior with the same Brillo pads as well. These things are so amazing for really scrubbing and getting on any sort of burnt on foods because obviously they are Brillo pads, so you can really scour with them. Like I said, I'm going to flip the glass as you can see me doing here, and I'm wiping with a dry microfiber cloth, making sure that I have got to every layer of glass that I can. Every oven is different, but make sure you look online to see how to unclip your glass so that you can clean inside because it's a real game changer. I've also got these oven shelf guards that I got from Amazon, so I'm going to clip these on, and I've also got myself an oven liner so that it will stay much cleaner than it usually does, and I'm just going to pop that in the base of the oven. It's not perfect, but it was really efficiently cleaned and a lot cleaner than it was before, so I'm going to be happy with that. I think as long as I do it like this every few weeks, it will stay at a good clean standard. It might not be like a professional clean, but it's certainly a lot better than it was before. Next up is the microwave. I got this steam microwave cleaner from Home Bargains and I'm really looking forward to using it. Guys, I'm actually embarrassed to show you the inside of this microwave, to be honest with you. But this handy little gadget, you just open one of the sachets and you pop it into this little plastic container. You put this inside of the microwave and you turn it on for 2 minutes and it all steams up and it makes it much easier to remove all of this stuck on mess. I mean, like I said, I am actually embarrassed to show you this. This is awful. I can't believe I let it get to this point.
If you don't get his suit.
But now that's been working its magic for a couple of minutes, it has made everything much, much easier to wipe down. Like you'll see in just a moment, I'm just going to get a microfiber cloth and I'm going to wipe away on all of the sides of the microwave. And as you can see, everything is coming away really easily, not using any additional product, just using what you've just seen me do and scrubbing with a dry cloth. I also cleaned the glass plate by hand as well, so I'm going to pop that back inside, and it is much, much cleaner than it was just a few minutes ago, so I'm really happy with that.
I need your loving, baby, it's all I'm thinking of.
Next up, I'm going to go on a dust hunt. I'm starting with my flash duster. Let me just have a quick tidy up in here first because it is a little bit cluttered and messy. By the way, that's not a dead body that you see in the corner. That is my son's jiu-jitsu dummy that he practices his jiu-jitsu on, which I will just move out of the way in just a moment. Honestly, it gives me such a fright every time I walk in the room and I see this in there. But I'm going to use my flash duster to go over all of the shelves and the pictures and the ornaments in the living room. I'm also just going to go over my shutters while I'm here, and the lamp in the corner that I feel like I've been neglecting as well. I'm just going to go over that. Basically, I'm just hunting around for any surfaces that need a little bit of dusting.
But I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his soothe. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love. 'Cause I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love.
As you can see from the colour of the duster, I've managed to find quite a lot of dust, so I'm pretty happy with that. Next up, I'm really excited to use this. This is the new damp duster by Scrub Daddy, and it's nice and ridged so you can get into all sorts of crevices. You don't need any product, you literally just wet it with water and you just go and dust in all those areas that dust loves to live. I'm using it on my stairs. I have a runner on my stairs, and on the wooden section, as you can see, dust gathers so quick.
You're so full of yourself.
Next thing I want to do is get rid of this little spot of black mold in the ensuite shower, and I'm going to use this Kill Rock black mold remover. This is great because there's a brush attached to the top, so I literally just used that brush, worked it on the black mold, and it was gone. Make sure you're wearing gloves and open a window if you use this product though, because it was quite strong.
Much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. It is always
I'm now going to go into the boys' shower, and I'm going to just use some Viacal on the shower screens. There's a lot of watermarks and soap marks, and Viacal is so amazing for getting rid of any limescale or watermarks. I actually forgot all about Viacal, and then Joy of Clean sent me some, and it reminded me what an incredible product it is. So I'm using it on the shower screens to get rid of any soap scum that's gathered on there, and it really worked a treat, and it was really quick as well. Next up, I used it on the taps and on the plug cover that you can see is covered in limescale. So honestly, wait till you see the result. I literally left it on there for a minute probably, and then I just scrubbed it with a microfiber cloth. So nothing, particularly scoury. It's only a cloth, but I cannot believe how quickly that limescale was completely removed. I was so pleased with it. I'm going to repeat the process on the boys' bath. First of all, I need to get out the 50,000 toys that are inside of there. But I'm going to use the Viacal on all of the chrome bits in the boys' bath as well, and get rid of any soap scum or limescale.
you see me now. You see me now. You see me now.
I'm also just gonna wash out this little tray that I keep the boys' bath bits in, just with some Flash and a clean microfiber cloth, because I just feel like I've neglected this for a while and it could do with a nice clean.
Is all the thing is, I don't care anymore.
Next onto the boys' toilet, which has obviously seen a lot of action this week. I'm just using the Flash bathroom spray, again a fresh cleaning cloth, and I'm just going to go over all of the surfaces of the toilet, and I will put some gel inside of the toilet and give it a scrub as well.
You see me now. Better say something that would change my mind.
I want to finish by putting in some new Febreze bathroom fresheners. I love these. You push the button in the back and it lasts for a few weeks and it makes the bathroom smell amazing. So I'm going to put one in the upstairs bathroom, also in the downstairs loo as well, and the house is smelling great. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I suppose